Start by setting the brake so the stroller stays steady. If you need more room, you can remove the canopy by releasing the hinges, unzipping it, and detaching the Velcro. Recline the seat fully so the infant car seat rests at the correct angle once attached. Click the infant car seat adapters into the stroller frame. Press down until you hear a click and the car seat feels secure. Use the car seat's release handle to lift it off the adapters. Press the adapter release buttons and lift the adapters off the frame. Pull the recline strap to bring the seat back to an upright position. Slide the canopy arms back into the hinges until they click. Zip the canopy around the frame, then reattach the Velcro underneath. You can attach an infant car seat on either side of the stroller. Choose the seat that works best for you.